most powerful social conditioner of all time.
Social media is breaking society. You have data and privacy issues which are well documented.
Do you think you have a moral responsibility to run a platform that protects our democracy? Yes or no?
Misinformation that overpowers truth.
If you wanted, from what you said, to spread a lie halfway around the world before the truth got out, Twitter would be a pretty good medium to use to do it.
Polarization that divides nations.
You're being subtly manipulated by algorithms.
And a revenue model that feeds off addiction.
Advertising revenue coming in 26.2 billion.
And then if you consider the urgency of this moment, climate change, social injustice, and a tech-driven mental health crisis.
Now really is the time for Curv, the world's first movement-driven social network. A platform built for changemakers at a time when we need them most. On Curv, you join, start, and post on behalf of the movements you love. There are no likes, no followers, no echo chambers. Instead, if you post content that drives real social action, your voice will be heard.
Using random names, anonymous names, and spreading all this hatred. It's up to these social platforms to change the way they're doing things.
We'll remove and report abuse via our human-first ethics policy and ID verification.
You can't say things that are false, knowingly false.
We'll prevent misinformation by encouraging users to add trusted sources to content. We'll remove ads from your feed and instead use a business model where brands support movements and reward changemakers making a difference.
In effect, Curv will create its own economy in which the more good you enable, the more money you will make, and all on a safer, healthier platform built to drive progress faster.
We know that social media platforms have huge potential, and this ability to galvanize movements of people has already been proven as a huge potential revenue driver. The difference here is that it is done within an ethical framework where profit and purpose are inextricably tied.
Curv allows to take away from the individualism and connect it to the collective. I think social medias currently have been built for individuals, but that doesn't necessarily help to support social movements and collective groups of people that want to solve social issues.
Some of the issues I face with social media right now is it's very numbers focused of how many likes you get, how many followers you have, and it's not so much focused on the content you're creating and having real effective change. It's more of how other people see you. And so it's important that we have a space for campaigns and see how people can get involved in the issues that they care about.
No platform existing that I'm aware of is about we. It's all about me or I getting verified or getting tens of millions of followers. Curv is not that. Curv is about we. Curv is about us. Curv is about movement.
Curv is ready to land. We have major global movements waiting in the wings, a team and advisory that is ready to go, and a vision that will drive progress faster. With your support, we can take on the biggest companies manipulating global cultures in return for profits and reimagine what social 2.0 needs to be.